Hello, we've been having a go today at finding all of the different ways that we can of making the number 18. This is just in our year 2 work, in our year 2 key worker group, but anyone at home could have a go at doing this, especially you year 2s, okay? So we've had a go at finding different ways of making the number 18. We used our part whole models, we used our bar models, we used objects. You can use whatever you can to find lots and lots of different ways. And we did this by adding, subtracting, taking away and multiplying. Okay, so we did some adding where we had our part whole model and we had obviously the number 18 at the top. We split it into its tens and ones, and then we had lots and lots of different goes at trying to find lots of different ways of doing it. So we could have our tens and our ones. So we've got 1 10, which is 10, and 8 ones, which is 8. So 10 add 8 equals 18. Okay, so we had to go at doing that. That was our adding way of making the number 18, and then we split our tens and ones into lots and lots of different ways. And I know that you year 2s know how to do that. Okay, we also had to go at finding some bigger numbers than 18. So we had maybe the number 20. And then we had to work out what we have to take away from the number 20 to make the number 18. So we had 20 in our heads and we counted back. So we 20, 19, 18. So we took away 2. So we did 20, take away 2 equals 18. So you can count it on in your head. You could use some objects to help you and take them away. So that was our taking away number sentence that we found, and then we found lots and lots and lots of different ways. We also did dividing and we did timesing. We quite often found if we did some of the multiplying numbers first, then we could try and find the dividing ones afterwards, because we found that a little bit easier. So we thought about 18, and we got 18 objects and we split them into groups of different things. We found the easiest way was to split it into groups of 2, or 2 groups, and we found that we had 2 groups of 9. So we ended up with 2 groups like we've done before. We counted out 18. So we counted out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And we found that we had 9 in each group. So we have 2 groups of 9. So we wrote it as 2 times 9 equals 18. Okay, so we've been doing lots and lots and lots of these, and we've been doing them all across year 2. So I want to see if you can have a go at home at finding lots and lots of different ways of making one number. It doesn't have to be the number 18, you can choose a number, and you can see if you can maybe beat your score from one day to the next with a different number, have how many different ways that you've done it, or beat your brother's or sister's score or your grown-up score, and see who can get the most different ways using some of the ways that we've done it in school. So see if you can use your part whole models. If you prefer the bar model, do it that way. Lots of sharing, lots of grouping, okay? And you can even post a little picture on our Facebook page so that we can all see it here at school. That would be lovely as well. Okay, so that's your challenge for this week, and just to show you some of the different ways that we do it here at school. Okay, so we hope that you're enjoying yourselves. We're missing you all lots, and we hope to see you soon.